Meera Pinto, our resource person, Mr. Satyan, Mr. Ashish, our respected teachers, and my dearest students. We all have gathered here for a workshop on cleanliness drive. So I, on behalf of the school management, extend a very warm welcome to Mr. Satyan and Mr. Ashish. Mr. Satyan is rendering his services at Swachhtagrah. Swachhtagrah is a Solan-based NGO promoting value-based education in India. The organization has been working for making Himachal clean and green in collaboration with the educational institutes. I feel proud to announce that Mr. Satyan got first prize in Himachal Pradesh for social work in 2018 from the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. Once again, welcome to St. Luke's here, sir. Now over to Sir Satyan.
We run an NGO with a vision. We have vision in place. We want to make Swachhta a national value of India. Dear students, as you might have read, we have so many national symbols in place, like we have national anthem. What is national anthem? We have national song. What is national song of India? We have national bird. We have national animal. Likewise, we want that Swachhta should be national value of India, because India is a cultural country. In order to realize that vision, we have mission in place. As missions, we have been doing cleanliness campaigns, we have been doing plantation drives, and we have been doing interactive session we call Samvad in Hindi. I hope if I switch over to Hindi, you are comfortable with Hindi as well. Why is Swachhta needed? You are well aware of it, that we have done so much harm to our environment. यानी आप सभी परिचित है कि जो हमने पर्यावरण नुकसान किया है, पर्यावरण का जो क्षरण किया है, पर्यावरण क्षरण की जिम्मेदार क्या क्या कारक हो सकते हैं? सबसे बड़े जिम्मेदार कौन है पर्यावरण क्षरण के लिए, पर्यावरण नुकसान के लिए? आप क्या कहेंगे, कौन है? पर्यावरण क्षरण का कारण अगर इंसान है, तो उस क्षरण का निवारण भी किसे होना होगा? इंसान को होना होगा। शिक्षा क्रांति अवेयर है, सेंट ल्यूक्स अवेयर है। क्या समाज सचमुच अवेयर है? नॉट एग्जैक्टली। क्या समाज में अवेयरनेस धीरे धीरे आ रही है? Join hands with each other, we make it common cause with each other, we can raise mass awareness about environment, about cleanliness in our city. Is it possible? I have not come to tell you that do this, do that. I know most of you are aware of what to do, what not. I just want to have one promise from you, just a single promise. And please, you promise me what you are going to do at your individual level. That is what you have got to hold promise with you. जब हम सफाई अभियान करने जाते हैं, we see roads, we see public places, strewn with wrappers, disposables, what not. Then I sometimes wonder, ये बड़े लोगों ने फेंका होगा या छोटे बच्चे होंगे? तो आपको लगता है कि सोलन सचमुच साफ है in terms of जो ये हमारे पास रैपर्स पड़े हुए हर जगह होते हैं? आपको क्या लगता है, साफ है कि अभी साफ करने की जरूरत है? मुझे भी ऐसा ही लगता है. When we started this campaign, earlier we were like, if somebody is throwing wrappers or dirt in the public places, we would go to them and just tell them that this is a punishable offense, you will be fined for this. Then what we saw? We saw that fighting did not work at all. So then what worked? Agraha worked, request worked. Can you read here? What is it written? Yes, this is Swachhtagrah. And then we hit upon mantra of cleaning our city, and that was Agraha. When somebody threw wrapper in front of us, we simply picked up and said, please don't do this. And it worked like magic. And most of them said, we are sorry, we are ashamed of it. So today I just need one promise from you. Would you please keep a promise, hold a promise, if only you can keep a promise. The promise is that, have you ever, let me ask you a question, by mistake, कभी गलती से आपने रैपर वगैरह जरूर फेंका होगा, किसी ने फेंका है, हाथ खड़े करो, वाह वाह क्या बात है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, मतलब अच्छी बात नहीं है पर आप एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, क्लैपिंग फॉर ऑल प्लीज, तो क्लैपिंग फॉर ऑल प्लीज। ये अच्छी बात नहीं है कि फेंका, लेकिन अच्छी बात ये कि आप एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हो। और यही स्टेप पे प्यारे बच्चों, अगर हमारे में कोई विकार है, कमी है, अगर उसे दूर करना है तो सबसे पहले उसे क्या करना पड़ेगा? वाह वाह, स्वीकार, वेरी नाइस, क्लैपिंग फॉर दिस वर्ड। व्हाट इज योर नेम डियर? कुड यू प्लीज स्टैंड अप? वेरी गुड, आई टॉक टू हिम लेटर ऑन। सो फर्स्ट इज, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? हमें स्वीकार करना पड़ेगा, यस we have gone wrong. So those who are throwing wrappers in the open, they are also our brothers and sisters, aren't they? Aren't they? Of course they are. तो मुझे आज promise चाहिए. Will you promise me that you will dispose your plastic waste responsibly and request others to do the same? Yes sir. Yes sir. अभी हमने आजादी का 75वां क्या मनाया? कौन सा महोत्सव मनाया? अमृत महोत्सव, राइट, अमृत महोत्सव मनाया, आजादी का, भारत की आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव मनाया, मना लिया हमने आजादी का अमृत वर्ष, अमृत साल। हर रोज मनाए अमृत काल, खुले में कचरा ना फेंके, पर्यावरण का रखे ख्याल, पर्यावरण का रखे ख्याल। तो प्यारे बच्चों, 2047 में भारत की आजादी के जब 100 वर्ष पूरे हो जाएंगे तो हम भ्रष्टता से नहीं, स्वच्छता से आजादी का शताब्दी महोत्सव मनाएंगे। हम विवाद से नहीं, हम संवाद से, हम विद्रोह से नहीं, हम आग्रह से भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त स्वच्छ भारत बनाएंगे, भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त स्वच्छ भारत बनाएंगे। और प्यारे बच्चों, जो आग्रह आपने करना है, यू आर होल्डिंग प्रॉमिस विद मी। क्या प्रॉमिस है? that you will dispose your plastic waste responsibly and ask others to do the same. This is the promise you have held with. So that's all. आपने क्या promise hold किया है? You will dispose your plastic waste responsibly, और गलती से भी गलती नहीं करोगे। जैसे आपने कहा कि गलती से फेंका है, गलती से भी गलती नहीं करोगे। और अगर किसी को करते हुए देखते हैं तो जरूर उनसे ऐसा ना करने का आग्रह करोगे। करोगे? पक्का? Who will come now? Who thinks that yes, हमें कॉमन कॉज बनाना चाहिए, मिलके हम सोलन को साफ कर सकते हैं, स्वच्छ भारत बना सकते हैं, हम कुछ ना कुछ कर सकते हैं।
So my name is Rudra. I'm from class 7A.
Okay, so how did you like this workshop?
Sir, I like this workshop because many children throw this plastic on road. I have seen many. I sometimes also throw because I didn't realize that I am.
So today onwards, will you throw or not?
Sir, I will not throw.
Will you stop others, request others?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's great. Very nice, very nice. Clapping for him, please. Very nice, very nice. Good. So now, no, he has promised now. He has promised. So, is it कच्चा promise or पक्का promise? पक्का promise. वो अभी रैपर छूट गया था। So thank you रुद्र के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां please. So who will next? Yes. Next please. Do worry, please come over. Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Section 1 from 8B. I thank you, sir, for the information about this. So resourceful and so informative. And I make a promise to you and my friends that I will not throw any plastic or any waste on the road, and I will make us like Swachhtagrah to everyone and not to throw.
Thank you. Very nice, very nice. Will you talk to your parents, elders and betters at home regarding this workshop?
Yes, sir, sure.
Sure.
Yes.
Would you go through this channel and all see that what they are into? Sure. Thank you. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Yeah, please. Yourself, please come up. Girls. Yourself.
My name is Swachhtagrah from class 8C. Thank you, sir, for explaining about the plastic waste. And sir, I will talk to my parents and promise to tell the students about this. To decompose the plastic. Sir, when I see my dustbin, it is also filled with plastic wrappers, chips wrappers, etc. Sir, then people come and take that.
Very nice.
My name is Sahani. I am from class 7C. Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you about giving us some knowledge on the topic. And sir, I promise you, I will not throw the plastic from now onwards, and I will stop
Others also.
others also who will throw rubber or plastic here and there. I see my class also. All the children, they always throw paper. I will try to make understand my friends that it is harmful environment.
Yes, very good. Thank you very much. And you should also talk to your parents at home also. Will you? Very nice. Very nice.
My name is Ishan and I'm from class 7A. I want to speak, sir said that he is having a YouTube channel on the YouTube platform. We all know we are watching YouTube videos on the YouTube, so we can give some time watching his videos and gaining some information because the environment is necessary for us. If we pollute it, it will be all polluted and then we cannot live anymore. There are pollution, air pollution, and that harms us very much. Sir told us that we can reduce plastic and we can compose the biodegradable waste and making fertilizers of it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That's all. Thank you. Thank you.
The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Good afternoon, everyone. I express my heartfelt thanks to our resource person, Mr. Satyan, social sanitation blogger, for acquainting us all about the social values and encouraging us to strive for social awareness. It is rightly said that cleanliness is next to godliness, which means it is in three places that God resides. So, we ensure that we will abide by your guidelines and we will take a step forward in keeping our surroundings neat and clean. Once again, a big thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Hope to have your support and guidance for making our Solan neat and clean. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, students. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Vishwa.